In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find your Stripe API keys. Whether you're a developer integrating Stripe into your application, or a business owner looking to manage your online payments, knowing how to locate your API keys is crucial. So let's dive right in. To get started, you'll first need to navigate to your Stripe dashboard. You can do this by visiting the Stripe website and logging into your account. Once you're logged in, you'll be directed to the home page of your Stripe dashboard. It's here that we can begin the process of finding those essential API keys. Next, you'll want to look towards the upper right corner of your dashboard. Here, you'll see a gear icon, which represents your settings. Go ahead and click on that gear icon. This will open up a menu where you can access various settings and configurations for your Stripe account. In this menu, you should see an option labeled Developers. Click on Developers to proceed. This section is specifically designed for managing your API integrations and is the hub for all things related to your API keys and webhooks. Once you're in the Developers section, you'll see an option called API Keys. Click on Manage API. This is the area where Stripe allows you to view and manage your API keys. Here, you can see your existing keys and, if necessary, create new ones. Now, you have a choice. You can either navigate through your existing restricted keys, or if your needs have changed or you're setting up a new integration, you might want to create a new API key. Keep in mind that API keys are sensitive information. They control access to your Stripe account, so handle them with care and only share them with trusted parties. If you decide to create a new key, Stripe makes it straightforward. You'll simply click on the option to create a new key, and Stripe will generate one for you. Remember to store it securely, as anyone with access to your API key can potentially access your Stripe account data. And that's it. You've successfully found your Stripe API keys. Whether you're managing existing keys or creating a new one, this simple process ensures you have control over how Stripe interacts with your business. By following these steps, you can confidently manage your Stripe integrations and maintain the security of your financial transactions. I hope this guide has been helpful, and you're now more comfortable navigating your Stripe dashboard to find your API keys. If you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to leave a comment below. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.